Good morning, folks. This is Steve Schwartz with Rios Quantitative. This is the TradingRoom.com TradeLAB review for the day of January 7th of 2013. I'm with my partner, friend, and colleague, Edward Preston, Global Quant Trader for RiosQuant. It's very important that you read this disclosure briefly and go to RiosQuant.com, RiosQuant.com, read the full disclosure, and check out everything and anything you'd like about the website. With that, I'll turn this back over to EP. Let's see what happened today, EP. I heard you had a good day.
Yeah, we did. Thanks, Steve. Actually, I forgot to add the pound CAD to the mix here. So just running the numbers for everyone in the room today, it was about 225.
So you know I don't see your...
So let me just...
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, you want a second. I'm just adjusting it here.
Yeah, we've got it.
Let me just adjust that. Pound CAD. Oh, I did put that in. Okay, good. So 150. So guys, check me on the numbers. I'm not going to be too much of a stickler, but we did roughly about 1,300 in the room today. And just give me a second to just edit this real quick. All right, so you guys can add that up. So it's close to 1,300. I'd have to run those numbers one more time. All right, so we're going to showcase what we did today. First and foremost, what I want everybody to really look at today is the diversification. That's what stands out. Swiss franc futures, got a currency, natural gas with an energy, silver with a metal, crude is another energy, soybeans took a loss, still have one in with a grain, another couple of currencies with the Canadian PMI number that came out, and it was horrific, about 8 points, 9 points worse than the expectation, which helped me with the strength in the Aussie and the pound and the weakness. Oh, I also have one more working. It's an open position, and that would be in the Japanese yen. So still have two positions working. So I have another currency and still have a grain working as we speak. All right, so that in a nutshell is the results. So let's talk about some of these individual trades. We'll start with the one that's in the background here. This is silver. What you can see here is a breakdown into bear zone 2. We've got the first bear zone up here. You can see the Gnostic levels, the green levels representing the bull and the bear. And then what we have down here is the secondary bear zone, and we had a sell-off, one of our laggards today, which was silver. A 2 and 7 combination of channels helping me find a precise point of entry. Actually got slipped on this trade. Filled at a worse price point, almost filled at my profit target. That's why you see a sell and a buy so close together. The good news is just minutes later I got my last target, which was the last level of support. Note how the market has more or less stayed right in that area, right at the last level, the critical level of support, and that's where we stopped looking for a new trade. So there's one of the trades that took place in the TradeLAB today. Let's go look at another one. We traded the 6J. That's a swing trade that's currently in. This is based on a 60-minute chart. I'm going to be holding this one on through the night. I got a stop in place, got profit targets at the first level and last level of support. Those of you that are interested, you could still get into that trade as we speak. It's come back up, just about to break even. Here's another one, the soybeans. Soybeans was a loss on the first one. Took a short as we had a 5 accelerator close after the reopen at 9:30 on this big spike up. When it came back down, it closed into the bear. I went with one lot. I kept it thin as far as the position. This is coming in as a -4 quant rank, so the trend is really what caught my eye on the macro side of things, but it didn't work out. They don't always work out. Stopped me out, and I reversed and got back into a long position as we speak. So still holding on. It's about break even. You can see I'm trying to take out the first bull zone of activity there. Talking about some of the other markets, so let's do a couple more since I got a few more minutes. We traded, let's go take a look at the, let's look at the, oh, how could I forget? Probably the trade of the day, natural gas. Natural gas, one of my more favorable markets. My best market and performance for last year, and it's shaping up to be another fantastic year for gas. My goodness, we're only 7 days into the year. This was a breakout. You can see plainly with the levels breaking from the bear into the bull. Bought it, profit at the first Gnostic level, profit target at the last Gnostic level, and look where it's at now, all the way back down. I have not participated in any of this. Took out the last level, done looking for trades. I want you guys to see what I did this trade, or what I based this trade off of. I based this trade off of a 60-minute time frame today. 60 minutes, and take a look at what I was looking at. It was with the channels. Just give me a second to change my template up here. This was based off of a breakout that I discovered, and God, I don't think it was more than 5 minutes after I discovered it for all the traders here in the lab. This is on a 60-minute time frame, and I'm going to put this in a high-low close so you can see the precision of the entry. Take a look at this. RQ2 channel, right above the bull level. There's the entry, and I'm telling you guys, this thing had a $300 turnaround right at 9 o'clock. It was actually at 8:30. It was after the production number came out of Canada. And after that number came out, obviously manufacturing being affected, natural gas associated, this market shot straight up. I got my first profit target probably within about 10 minutes, and it wasn't more than about another 5-10 minutes later. Probably one of the quickest swing trade setups I've ever had that was able to capture the very top within a matter of minutes. These trades typically last about a day and a half. This one took 15 minutes. So that was probably my trade of the day. That trade, as I showcased earlier with profits, you can see that natural gas took out about, on a 2-lot, 710. That amounts for more than half of my profits today. So with about 1,300, guys, this is a 5% net day on a $25,000 account. Another great day. That's going to put us, for the month after today's performance, that's going to put us at about 16% for the month, which is just crazy good. It's not going to be like this every day, but here's the thing. Take advantage of it while it's hot. Like in basketball, you feed the hot hand. So what the market's given us, we're taking, and enjoy it while it's lasting, and let's see if we can run it again tomorrow. I'll be here again with you guys in the Trade Lab. This is ZP. You guys have a great rest of your trading session.